Oh my goodness.
Welcome to the finale of...
The finale of this game. You've missed the entire start. Hello, everybody.
Exactly. Shit all left.
It's like, yes, we're playing a game, and we're not even saying who we are. This is gonna be terrible. We are the worst, like, narrators ever.
We are the worst.
The very worst.
The very worst.
In general.
But hello. It's like, hello, people who might watch this. Probably no one. We're not that interesting, it's fine. Anyway, hello, people who watch.
Yeah, no, right.
We have names. We're not saying them, but we do have names. We're not aliens.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, are we?
No, oh, are we? Oh, yeah. But hello. Oh wait, I should hang on before we even get into it. I need to make sure I have the walkthrough up on my phone, so we know which choices lead to what.
That might be useful.
That might be helpful. But hello, people who watch. My name is just there, but you know, normal, which contradicts to my name on the screen. It's all a lie.
It's fucking fake.
It's fake. But no, introduce yourselves while I get a walkthrough up.
You go first.
You're like,
Introduce
I don't want to say my real name.
Oh, well, don't say your real name then. Call yourself the Big Cheese.
Oh yeah. I'm the big cheese.
The Big Cheese.
I'm pretty big.
Oh my god. I'm just gonna go by Mystic.
Okay, go by Mystic. I don't mind going by my name, but like, because it's already out there. Hello, I have a YouTube channel already, so it's already out there. So I have no shame.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
Check it out.
No, oh my god, do not do that. It's so embarrassing.
I haven't.
To people who may watch this video, but probably not, we've already played through the game, and we've already gotten some endings, but we're going to be playing Artifis routes today, and hopefully getting the last couple arts today.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
So we can move on to the superior CP.
Did we finish all of the tamed ones?
Yes we did.
Oh wow. We did good.
We did good. We did very good.
You're pretty good.
So for Artifis route, there's going to be a lot of skipping, but I'm talking the entire time.
the big cheese.
Oh, the Big Cheese.
You gotta censor that.
I'm gonna have to bleep that. Great. I'm gonna have to be like.
Now you can't post it.
I will find a bleep, or I will record a bleep sound, really obnoxiously.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and then put it on top.
Over it.
All right, so yeah, we're gonna have all the fun because
Oh yeah, we're at the beginning, right?
Yeah, so there's gonna be all the spice, okay? Like all the spice. Because like Natan's very like, you know, like wholesome.
He's a soft boy.
He's a soft boy. Artifis ain't none of that.
He's
the polar opposite.
Soft, supple boy.
Oh yeah. There's gonna be a lot of skipping.
Yeah.
Look how long it's skipping right now. It's kind of ridiculous. There's Miss Pie Lady.
Yeah. Don't eat the pie. She'll poison you.
No. But she'll gladly betray a kingdom if someone will eat her pies. Priorities, am I right? Oh, okay, here we go. We've got some new dialogue. Whoop whoop.
Oh.
Since I am main B, I'm main bish, or Tits McGee.
Big titty. Placenta.
Placenta, as we've calling her, because her name is very close to Placenta. But I now have to do my serious voice. Yes, I agree. The drafts in these large empty halls are especially frosty. Take it away.
Cool is not located in north, such as Freeze, but these local winds are piercing, and the nights long. Northerners are karma. I'm not prepared.
You're like, I'm not prepared for this.
But it makes them rational and cruel. Southerners are impulsive and quick-tempered. When we start to feel something, ... we cannot stop.
For people who have played this, like, they know this boy does not shut up.
He does not shut up.
Every time there's no descriptions. It's just him talking the entire time. Just by the way, and just all of
It
that.
just keeps adding.
And just going
He just keeps piling on fucking words and shit. If you wish to warm yourself, come and find me. I will be in the main
Oh, God.
castle. Ugh.
We have to eat the vegetables.
Eat vegetables.
Eat the salad.
I know.
It's like, eat that damn salad, lady. Ugh.
Finally.
A single plate of vegetables rests on the table.
No, she eats.
I know. Fuck.
She eats fucking cake. She's fat.
Oh,
I
yeah,
know.
that's
That's where
She's
her
still
thick
my
thighs
favorite.
come from, man. I don't want to end up gnawing on something that might be human. He's like, haha, jokes on you. I'm a vegetarian. I eat fruits and vegetables to preserve my health. Would you like to try some? He's like, no, please. Absolutely not. It's this episode's just gonna be groaning for the majority of his lines, because the last part had all the lines.
He was actually talking in the last.
Yeah, he was actually talking.
That's funny. We're gonna miss all of that.
It's just gonna be me making weird sounds.
Yeah, pretty much.
Just going.
I'll try and make something creative.
Yeah, just be creative, you know.
Just go. Make a really loud sound.
Woo!
Credelta comes in with a sounds. An armored tea.
Oh look, you got a line. I'm actually impressed. I'm not sure about him, but at least I'm feeling better about things. Oh my god, she's one of those people who are vegetarians and they constantly rub it in your face. They're like,
Yeah.
I don't eat
I'm a
meat
vegetarian.
because I love
Excuse me,
animals.
I'm vegan.
Oh yes, yes.
No offense to those
No
vegans.
offense to vegans, but there are those vegans out there where I'm vegan because I care. And I'm just like, shut the fuck up.
You should only give yourself to the kingdom to which you serve. Only then will your loyalty be of any use.
You're gonna turn into me from last time. That was not recorded. Me failing to speak every line, just being like, and then.
It's also partially because I can't breathe.
Oh my god.
I keep coughing.
You're
I'm dying.
Do you have some water next to you?
No, I don't have water. I should go get water. Okay.
Yeah.
Go get a
Time
drink.
Go get some water, quick.
Take over for me while I'm gone.
Say
Right?
my name.
Ah, god damn it. Do you know, I have to bleep so much crap now.
I mean, Mystic.
I'm not gonna bleep any swear words whatsoever because I don't care, but
You mean you don't give a shit?
yeah, I don't give a shit, but I don't give a fuck, but I'm gonna be bleeping names. That means I have to literally watch this entire thing just to find out.
Mystic.
Oh, for fuck's sake! I'm literally having to watch this entire thing just to find when people said what.
That is me, cheese.
It's like,
That's
ah!
me. Can you read my lines while I'm gone?
I don't think I can do it as well as you, but I'll try.
Just do a really deep voice and then you got it.
No, I'll
Wait,
try and do it.
Do you,
the same way
wait. Do you want to be
Alright.
the center and then I try to do Artifis?
I wanna
I'm down to be out of it.
Oh, you want to do it? Okay, you can do it.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go get water so I don't die.
Okay, the big cheese is out for 5 seconds. Loving of your...
We're having a great day today, aren't we?
Oh, I know, we're having a great day. It's gonna be so good. Woo! Is it really more important than forging? Oh my Jesus Christ! Than forging personal relationships, huh? Oh, she's still talking. Oh, there you go.
That may be, but personal attachments should not affect the fates of kingdoms.
So good. It was so good.
How was that?
It was beautiful.
I don't think it was good.
It was
but
so
I
good.
tried.
It was so good.
I like how you clearly tried to make your voice deeper as well.
Do you want me to do this line too?
Yeah, I wanna hear it. Might as well. Damn it, I'm fucking getting lines.
You're not getting enough lines.
Even though it has
My background. I suppose you are too at such things rationally.
I'm like trying not to laugh the entire time, but it's so hard.
It's not as good as the big cheese, but
As the
Do you want me
big
to, like,
cheese.
read every second line or
Oh,
something?
you guys
so that
take
you
turns
like,
now?
we just swap between the two.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Sure, that'll make this more interesting.
Oh, of course.
Yeah. His voice just keeps changing slightly.
Skip now.
Oh, we can? Oh shit, I didn't
Yeah.
even realize. I was too
Save
enamored.
us.
I was too, you know, I was so interested.
See, me, the cheese. Don't
Oh
know.
my god!
I feel like we're doing this just to spite Shell now.
I know, like the fact that I'm gonna have to edit it.
All his fucking things out.
See, if we didn't say anything, we could have just uploaded it without me really editing it. It would have been fine, but now I have to actually go in and edit it. I'm like, great, so fun. Now this time we gotta be a little bitch
Ooh.
and like succumb to the prince. Monarchs are usually touchy creatures, especially men. Alright? Perhaps I should offer him a small gift and lose less.
Boring. Like taking candy from a child.
And now he's teasing me. Well, at least he said something else. That's an achievement, right?
He sure is.
So
That's the
true
most-
though.
The most true line I've read in this game.
My prince!
We can skip now.
Okay, now you can skip it.
I just wanted you to say that, and I was like, yep, that's good, that works.
So she threw a broom, like,
Yeah,
Yeah,
context
she
for
threw a broom
people.
in his face,
She threw a broom and then wondered why he was so mad at her.
Yeah,
Like,
she
gee, I wonder why.
That's true. She was like, why are you so mad at me suddenly?
Yeah,
After she fucking chucked a broom in his face.
yeah, pretty much.
he
Did
says,
you forget that I am a demon and you're just ...
A human girl, I
human
remember.
girl,
No, that's me!
I
That's me!
remember.
It's me!
Wait a minute, shit.
That's me! You took my line!
It's hard without the
I know.
icon there. You have too much arrogance.
Coming from the king of arrogance.
literally. Well, that cheese is just
If
letting
something-
the line.
I know.
Dumb. Fine, you can
Fine,
read
you do it
some.
better than me
Read
anyway.
this one. Read this one.
Ah!
Maybe
I didn't say it!
you'll
Ah!
read this
I
one.
didn't say it! The big cheese is just like, say the line. Yeah, say the line. Say it. Fucking say
So
it.
by saying the line, thing like that happens again, I will sweep your arrogance away myself.
Nice play on words.
Yeah, that was great.
Oh my god!
Wow.
And and spank you at the same time.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh,
I'm crying.
fuck.
That was beautiful.
Disgusting. Wait, I feel like we should just do this scene.
Oh, really? Oh, true, yeah, we probably should. It's actually... Okay.
No, it's fine.
You can say this one line.
A piece of cold flesh is nothing to blood.
I love it.
That's beautiful.
Bam!
Bam!
It's just the matron
Suck.
give us some pliers.
Right? But it
Yeah, I
doesn't...
thought we
It doesn't matter. The
just
main...
slide a pie through the door.
I know. She's just like, it's time for pie. Waiting until the door flies open, I jump. Die!
That's not the line I
So
was
dramatic! With all my might, I scream
Fucking,
and
like,
throw a pillow into the
Punch him in
demon.
the, like,
I know.
poke him in the eyes or something.
No,
She's
she
just-
doesn't.
Die!
Reaches out, shoves her fingernails into their
Oh
eyes.
my god.
God.
Die!
Oh, it's just you. So casual. Oh, it's just you.
Oh, die!
Die! Oh, it's just you.
And you intended to defeat said attack her with a pillow.
He's just like, the dumb bitch.
Haha, you fucking idiot.
I don't have anything more deadly. If you want, I can throw a pot at you. A pot is more deadly, you moron.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is in the
I'm
background.
I'm sorry, that little throat, like, clear just made me laugh. You just being like, before you do it. I don't know why that's funny, it just is. I don't remember whose turn it was.
It's the cheese.
I was like, I don't know who it is, but someone say
To
something.
me, how bold.
To be honest, I don't remember either.
You fucking lied.
Puts all the blame on the big cheese.
Right.
Placenta. I like that.
Okay. That actually worked! That was great!
That makes you even more dire.
Oh. So that's how it is. Triple dot. What? She's so dumb. She's like, wait, what?
And Charlie, that really weird intonation that you do.
Like that really weird, like, what you have made.
Yeah. Where it's like, you put the accent on every syllable that shouldn't be accented.
Yeah.
I thought
Oh my god.
if I could have you, it would be enough to placate.
Placenta me. However, dot dot dot.
So you've come for my soul?
Nani?
Ah.
Nani?
You truly are the most dangerous creature in this entire castle.
You are the one who brought chaos to this cold place.
Can I just say, it feels like I'm talking to two different people right now. Even though it's just him. And it's great. That ... is unexpected. Now I'm starting to sound like Artifis, even though it's not him.
We'll just start to like him.
Oh god.
Oh god.
Oh god. I want to talk normal, but then my brain is like like that.
Your brain's having
Yeah, ... Unlike his perverse insinuations, there we go. I was like, it's that word that I can't say. From
That
before, he's acting genuinely tender like chicken.
Wait, does he have nipples?
I don't think he does. He's not real.
Oh my god. That's pretty weird.
It's pretty weird.
That's kind of creeping me out now.
You didn't even notice.
Fuck, that's funny.
The lack of nipples.
The lack of nip.
Are you referring to the hourglass on your hand? They did it again!
Oh yeah, yeah. I see.
Did
Yeah.
what?
Why does that keep happening?
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
I didn't even notice my brain went that way.
Why? This is not the first time it's happened either.
Yeah, like how do you make that mistake multiple times? Ugh.
I was gonna say it's not that hard to make that mistake.
Because we've written before, we know exactly how that mistake happens.
I'm disgusted more so that this is like $6 now.
Yeah,
So much mistakes
yeah,
in it.
yeah.
It's like fucking. Ugh.
And you will no longer threaten to hurt me?
Only if you ask. Hurt me.
Hurt me, please. You go a little bit.
Can you finish your sentence?
Oh. I fucking didn't notice. I was like too busy.
You're in your own world.
Just did you saying hurt me?
I will. Wait.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
No, you're doing good.
I thought you meant that there was a line that said hurt me and I missed it. I was trying to look for it. Wait. Hold on. Oh, you got me.
Okay.
You were like,
No.
such a
I'm
prankster.
dying.
Oh, I missed a dot. Alright, I'll go back.
Your audacity and you like stubborn. He just called you an ass.
Pretty much.
He did.
Pretty much.
Like stubborn.
Yeah. It's funny because, like, before he'd be like, oh, I hate all these things about you. You're such an annoying human. And now he's like, nah, I like it now. I dig it.
Yeah.
It's okay now.
I
Because
did
we're
get
further in the story.
Help! Presses his lips
Oh no,
against
he's eating
mine.
him!
Oh! Run!
Oh god!
I had thought that his kisses would be full of fire and passion, and yet, to my surprise, they suck. Like, she's like, these are the
It's
worst.
fucking gross.
Where's my salad?
It stirs my salad up real quick.
As if his lips were silk heated beneath the sun.
I thought silk was like, I thought it said milk.
Yeah, but it wouldn't be surprising with this game, would it? It would be like, oh, okay, that's their milk obsession again. However, when I'm near him, I'm so calm. That is a lie.
That's a lie.
That's a straight up lie.
She's so angry all the time. She's like, oh my god, Artifis.
Oh my god, you kissed me. I love you now.
She has Stockholm syndrome. He
She-
kidnapped her.
Yeah, literally, oh my god.
Oh shit.
That's so true.
Fucking unacceptable.
It
That would be
seems...
11 grade boys, but
I'm
Yeah,
so
I'm not
close to
good for
doing
that.
his freaking accent again. Oh my god, every time. I see ... and I just want to be like ... every time I read
It's
it.
catching. Again, it's catching.
I like, he's like, yes, I congratulate you. You should be thankful. You're welcome.
You should be thankful that I took you away from your family.
Yeah,
One word.
literally.
My sparkle.
See, that would actually be kind of cute if it was developed. It's like,
Yeah.
they just
Yeah.
randomly were like, oh, by the
Yeah,
way, we
like,
care about each
I
other
feel
now.
like that's a pretty cute nickname.
My
Get
mouse.
over the fact that he's kidnapped us.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
we're like, this is fine. Ooh.
Oh damn.
He's fine,
Where
though.
does ponytail go though? I'm sad.
Given that no one had expected this turn of events, it was incredibly easy. This
Kind of
had-
called the turn of events though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
We all
assumed
expected.
Yeah, I think we all
what
did,
was
to be
gonna happen,
honest.
Yeah.
Do you know what's
Wasn't that
funny?
surprising.
Even though I remember art for this game, I could not remember the plot, and that is not a good thing. That I could not remember it. Also, they say Natan also perished in the uprising, but his body was never found. Yeah, he ain't dead.
Me?
Well, for me, if you don't see him die, they ain't really dead.
I think he's dead.
No, you're like, yeah, yes, death, haha. Ending 5, Great Flame Revolution.
That was so much shorter than all of like
Literally.
Nintendo's
It's okay, we
ones.
got another one.
It's funny because Artifis is like his own route is
He's so,
the fucking other one that he's in.
he talks so much in
Doesn't
routes
shut
that
up.
aren't his.
I feel like he's taught more in the Tane's ending.
I literally, so true though. But we have another ending.